What is up, guys? Welcome back into the channel. We're up here in the big shop. Finally got the 92 out of this spot over here. Wow, that is extremely blurry. Finally got the 92 out of this spot over here. Girlfriend Shaylin is cleaning up everything. We're trying to get the shop finally organized after pretty much getting everything done. We had our neighbor come over and hook up our air compressor, so it is fully functional now. So that's great. We actually have air up here, but we got to get all this stuff cleaned up so we can actually use that. I think I'm going to run air line over and then probably have an hookup spot here. So then we got two hookups. But we're just trying to get everything organized. This bolt bin here, we're getting cleaned up. Shaylin went ahead and pulled everything out, vacuumed all the cubbies and stuff. They're on the bottom. She's just working her way up. That's all the stuff that came out of it. So she's doing that. Trying to get stuff over here cleaned up because all I have to do left on her Jeep is pretty much bolt up the door. And then we got to get this piece ordered, and then like the rocker guard, I can show you on the other side. It ordered for this side, for that side, or that's what it looks like on the driver's side here. So we're going to get that done, and then her Jeep's pretty much done. Throw some clips here in the inner fender liner, get it held back up in there, and we're ready to go. So we're just going to kind of continue on getting all this stuff cleaned up and enjoy the montage.
Ryan Little.
Little update, Shaylin went ahead and got all this stuff. She wiped everything down, got this bin ready to go. We're gonna call it a day. Like I said, we're gonna try and get this all organized in here. We built this extension too, because this is where the office and all that stuff is. And that's actually a pretty nice storage space up there. I'm gonna try and kind of hold you guys up there. If you guys can see up there, it's pretty deep. But up here we're gonna try and put like a lot of the stuff we wouldn't use on a regular basis, like all the oil filters for the tractors, any parts like this. This goes to our hay tedder. We have the tires for the hay tedder, just a bunch of that stuff will go up there. And then over here in the bolt bin we'll have just like the assortment of bolts that we would use on a regular basis for, I mean, anything and everything on the farm. And then this storage cabinet here I'm gonna get all cleaned up. We'll stick our 5-gallon jugs of oil down at the bottom. We'll have like all the power steering fluid, brake fluid, all that stuff. And then maybe up at the top just have an assortment of like spray paint, because I mean we're always using spray paint on the farm. Need to get that little corner cleaned up like I said, but it's just gonna be kind of working one area at a time. I don't wanna pull everything off and then we just completely coat the floor here. But yeah, we're gonna try and get all this stuff cleaned up. Here on the 98, got the oil changed on it. I believe the starter's going out on it, so I'm gonna try and pick up a new starter, slap it in there, see if that takes care of it. And then in one of the previous videos, actually the last video, the one with the 79 plane in the snow, we actually have no more snow. It all melted. I can actually get those straps for the front drive shaft to be able to throw that on. And we got a lot of projects coming. I'll be working on the first gen here. We might be getting a new truck, project truck for the channel. I don't know yet, we'll see. But it's just gonna be kind of like a quick little flip here. I gotta get my girlfriend's Jeep finished up hopefully this week, so I'm gonna be busy. I got some details and stuff. But yeah, we'll definitely be having a lot of videos on this probably soon, a lot of farming videos. So you guys let me know what you wanna see. I can film it. I actually might be working with the Daninator also on fixing a little bit of rust on his truck. So it's gonna be kind of interesting what we come up with those videos and stuff. But that being said, guys, remember to give this video a thumbs up, smash that like button, hit the bell notification so you know every time I upload. I'm the GM Man. Remember, learning as I do, doing what I love. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.